Hey guys, welcome back to yet another interesting video of How Logical, and in this video I'm going to show you how to enter Agoda promo code. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now in order to add or enter Agoda promo code, you just simply have to open your Agoda application at first. Then after opening the Agoda application, you will get to see so many options into this homepage. Now, in order to add the promo code, you just simply have to tap into this coupon section at the middle of your screen at the bottom side. Just simply tap into that and you will directly get the option of enter promo code. Just simply enter your promo code into this box right here and then click to this tick button at the top right side. And after this, your coupon or promo code will successfully be entered in Agoda and you will get the off or any offers from that promo code. This way you can easily add or enter promo code into Agoda. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.